Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. You join us at sunny Pipers Heights Caravan Park.
It is in Blackpool, which is unusual for March.
Indeed, it is. Current bun's up, so we thought we'd make this video. Now, as the title suggests, it's prizes, prizes, prizes. And what we're going to be discussing is a little update regarding our Lost Weekender.
Yes, which is from the 19th to the 21st of June. And said is we'll put the details up for you. So if you're looking to book, there are still spaces available. However, if you want to join us on the adults only side,
there's only three spots.
So if you're thinking of booking, ring
yeah,
up and book. There's still 15% discount though.
Yep. So give them a ring, get booked, and come down and join us. Now, back to the prizes. Me and Juliet have been purchasing a few items that are going to be some of the smaller prizes in the raffle.
We did. I mean, we was at the Glasgow show, and I really liked some blankets we saw. So we purchased one for the caravan and one for home. And then I asked if you could pick one up, didn't I, for the raffle?
They're made by Balmoral Rugs and Blankets, and they're really nice. They're pure wool, beautiful things. And I asked Michael and Carol from the Boulder Rolls on Tour if they wouldn't mind doing it for me, because I was so busy I just couldn't get away from where I was. So with that in mind, they went off to Hole 3, went to Balmoral, and they purchased one. When they come back, Michael was a little dejected, and I said, "What's up?" He says, "It's just cost me another few quid." He says, "Because I had to buy Carol one." Said,
She was smiling and laughing.
yeah.
She didn't want to wait to try and win it.
No, so that's one of the prizes, and we've got a few other practical caravan prizes as well. Now, our next prize is been kindly donated by our friends at Caravan Magic. They have set up a starter kit, haven't they?
They have, which is help to clean and maintain your caravan.
Which can only be a good thing. And then next, whilst I was at the show, I bumped into Sean from Collapse. And on behalf of Collapse, he has kindly donated a set of flex pipes, which always come in handy. Better than the unwieldy pieces of tubing that you can purchase. Popular. A very popular product. So they will be given away as well. Then our second to top prize is
2 nights stay at Pipers Heights.
Yes. And I believe there's some minor conditions involved in that. But
they'll be on the ticket.
But they'll be on the ticket anyway. And then our star prize, well, we're going to let the gentleman himself explain what that is.
We are.
So take a look at this. Well, hi, Chris.
Hi, Phil.
How's the show going?
Very good.
Excellent.
Well worth the journey to Scotland, but always is.
Lovely. Now, as you know, we on Lost Weekends are doing a charity event in June.
We spoke about this in 25, didn't we?
We did indeed.
Yeah.
And we were wondering if you could kindly perhaps offer a prize that we could raffle. And have you got any suggestions?
Sure. Yeah. Well, you being a caravaner and a lot of caravanners out there would benefit from a great product that Falcon have created on many questions that you guys have been asking, and it's all about rear view visibility. So we want to make you safer on the road and give you more peace of mind, and we're going to donate a product for you, Phil, that has a value of £450. How was that?
Wow, that's fantastic.
So I'll give you a little show what it's all about.
Yes.
So basically, caravans typically, of course, when we are towing them, the length of a caravan and the length of a car put together is probably longer than a truck or a van. And of course, having no visibility can be a concern or a worry. And yes, we've got our side mirrors and our extended mirrors, but this gives us visibility down the side. Ideally, what we want is to be able to look in our rear view mirror, but what do we see? You've got it, a big white box. So cameras have always been a topic of conversation, and you know, if you come and see us at the show, we listen to those things that you're looking for. And a common question is, can I have a camera on the back of my caravan, but I don't want to drill a hole, I don't want to cut a wire? So we've made it for you. So this product we took to the October show, Phil. At 2025, it was the #1 selling product. It's a rear view camera that does exactly that. Doesn't need any drills. It's magnetized. But of course, a caravan is not made of metal, or a motorhome the same. Camper vans, some of them, yes. So included in the kit comes this white metal plate. And for those who've got black caravans, I know there's not many, but we do a black version as well, yeah? But white plate now with a tube of glue, adhesive, that is in the kit, that comes complete with a solution, very much like Sikaflex. You apply in the place where you would like the camera to sit. Camera is on the back like so, and it has a lithium battery built in. The lithium battery, just like your smartphone. Charge it up with a C-type charger, battery life lasts for around about 10 hours. But of course now, we've got a solar panel on the top, so this can trickle feed the battery, so it can last longer than 10 hours. We've had reports of 16 hours. But of course, unless you're driving to Russia, then we won't be driving that for that long. So with that then over there, the camera like so, now the natural place for rear view visibility is going to be your rear view mirror. Our monitor, like so, just clips over like that. It's got an SD card on the side as well, so it gives recording as well as visibility. Cable, simply just plug into a USB point, no drilling, no holes, no wires cut in. Sell your Caravan, move to your next one. That's what's going to be in Phil's raffle. So buy your tickets and we'll see you soon, and best of luck.
Thanks, Chris. Thanks very much.
My pleasure. See you soon.
Well, wow, that is a fantastic first prize, isn't it? I mean,
it is. It really is a nice first prize.
it is indeed. And it's one of Falcon's best sellers as well. It's proving very popular. So it'd be great if one of you could win it, and also donate some money to Donna's Dream House.
It is, because that's what it's in aid of. And
Yep.
also at the weekend as well, we're doing a pop quiz as well.
Yeah, we've got the pop quiz, which will be cash prize for the pop quiz. But when you get here, we'll explain more about that. Saturday night, there will be a band on at the bar, and
we'll be
also
drawing the raffle.
we'll be drawing the raffle on the Saturday. But in the meantime, there will be a few little spot prizes that we're going to be given. We're not giving that away
yet. No.
That's going to be kept secret. But yeah, on the day, if you'd like to join in, we've got a few spot prizes that we're going to do, and some certificates as well.
That's just going to be a bit of,
so that'll give you a bit of a
fun.
clue. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.
See you in June.
See you in June.